Alright you guys, so the first color that I'm going to be using is from the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. I am going to be using this round eyeshadow brush to apply my first color. This one is nice and flexible, but it's still pretty sturdy in the middle, so we're going to be able to pack on a lot of color with this eyeshadow brush. And I am going to be placing my eyeshadow right here above the crease, basically on my crease and a little bit on the lid. I'm going to pack that color on with this brush. And I'm going to be using this nice burgundy shade. So this first shade is definitely perfect for nighttime looks. So I'm just going to show y'all my good side today. So I'm just going to place that eyeshadow right on the crease of my eye. I'm going to pack the eyeshadow right here on the outer corner first. This is where I want the most color. Ooh, do y'all see that pigmentation? OMG, I just love Morphe eyeshadows. They're always super pigmented. So I'm just gonna place that right there on the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm just gonna lightly drag that shade across the crease. And the reason why I'm doing it this way is so that way I can get a nice gradient effect. Like I said, I want this color to be mainly focused on the outer corner of my eye. So I'm just lightly dragging it across, and as you can see, it's starting to naturally fade or give that ombre effect on its own. So again, we're packing the color on the outer corner and then sweeping it across. Alright, so this is what our first eyeshadow is looking like, and yes, I did get some on my nose, but that's okay. I'm going to be able to clean that up later. But I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I am going to zoom in so that way y'all can see me actually applying it a little bit more close up. But I'm just going to do the same thing that I did to this eye on this side. And the second color that I'm going to take is a magenta pink. It's kind of like in between burgundy and pink. It's not too bright, but it's not too dark either. But I'm going to take that and I'm going to place that right above this shade and blend those two together. And I'm going to apply the same technique. I'm going to pack it more so on the outer corner and then bring it into the middle. I'm also going to be using a similar brush. This is a smaller round eyeshadow brush. This one is a little bit more flexible compared to the first brush we used. And I am using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette for this nice pink magenta shade that I'm going in with next. Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, we have the brighter pink shade around the top of the eye, and we have that dark magenta color that's still concentrated on the outer corners, and then we brought it in. So now I'm gonna go back into that Zulu palette, but this time I'm gonna be using a flat eyeshadow brush. This flat eyeshadow brush is gonna be used to pack on this nice pink shimmery shade. It has some golden undertones, so that's why I chose it, because the golden is kind of like that fall aesthetic that we're going for. So I'm just going to use this to pack on. I'm just going to use this flat eyeshadow brush to pack on this color. Now I'm only going to concentrate this color on the first portion of my eyelid, because there's another color that we're going to use from the Morphe palette to actually bring in the darkness onto the lid. So I'm first gonna take that lighter shimmer shade and just, or should I use gold? I don't know, I was eyeballing this shade, so I'm gonna use this first because I was eyeballing it. I know I have eyeshadow fallout everywhere. We are definitely going to clean that up, but I'm going to go back into the 3503 First by Nature palette by Morphe, and I'm going to use another flat eyeshadow brush. I'm going to use another flat eyeshadow brush to pick up this burgundy shimmer shade, and that's what I'm going to use to bring all of these colors together. As I'm packing this other burgundy shade on, I'm blending it into this glitter, the first glitter shade that we used. I'm blending it right into that one, and I'm also blending it into the deeper burgundy shade as well. Alright y'all, so now I'm just going back and forth between all the brushes that I used, and I'm using a clean fluffy eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going around getting all the harsh edges, blending those out, so that way this makeup look can be seamless as possible. Y'all, this is why I be stressing so much to use your tape, because as y'all can see, it did definitely get messy, but look at that crisp, clean line. I didn't have to go in with a makeup wipe or anything to create that. Like, I just wanted to show you guys, like, bam. You don't even have to worry about that. All you have to do is wipe away that fallout. Like, you guys, I love using the tape. Like, it comes in handy so much. Alright you guys, so for lashes, I am going to be using Spratley Co's lashes. Again, these are the style 4am. There's some nice dramatic lashes, and we need something nice and dramatic for this eyeshadow look. So I'm just going to show you guys the lashes up and close before I apply them. And then we are going to come back for the final result. Alright you guys, that is all for this eyeshadow tutorial. I hope that you all enjoyed it and definitely learned something new. Do not forget to drop me a comment down below of your thoughts on this makeup look. And also don't forget to stay tuned for the hair tutorial on this wig. Definitely make sure that you check that out. And most importantly, do not forget to share this video with your friends so that way we all can be fabulous together. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe. And y'all already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.